In my role as one of the Council's Armed Forces champions, it brings me great pride that we have taken the lead in reinstating the Remembrance Day parades. The Council has a long record of supporting the Armed Forces community, and in 2013 we were proud to sign the Armed Forces Covenant. As part of this, we pledged to acknowledge and understand the needs of those who serve or have served in the Armed Forces, as well as their families. I encourage anyone who would like to honour the memory of those who lost their lives defending our country in recent and past conflicts to join us at one of the parades on Sunday, the 12th of November. Thank you.
I am pleased that the Council has stepped in to ensure that the Remembrance Parades at Neath and Port Talbot will return this year. As a former serviceman myself, I understand how important it is to people that we remember the sacrifices made by those who have defended our freedom. That's why we have made the decision to take the lead as the event organiser and have agreed to pay the costs for things such as traffic management and safety barriers.